Cook the perfect chicken breast. In the pan with vegetable oil, melt a few cubes of butter. Make diagonal cuts on the chicken breast. Season with salt. Then with black pepper. Turn the chicken fillet to the other side. Season the same way with salt and black pepper. Coat both sides in flour. Fry the chicken breast for 5 minutes on both sides. Add butter and garlic. Stir a little. Pour in apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and honey. Stir the sauce and braise the chicken breast for 10 minutes on both sides covered. Turn the chicken breast and sprinkle with chopped green onion. Put whole potatoes in the pot and pour in water. Boil for 20 minutes. Remove the potatoes into a bowl. Place on the tray lined with baking paper. Mash with a potato masher. In the bowl with vegetable oil, add sweet paprika, garlic, black pepper, salt. Mix well. Brush the potatoes with the sauce. Sprinkle with grated parmesan and bake for 10 minutes. I really like this simple recipe for pan-cooked chicken breast. The meat turns out very tender, flavorful, and pairs perfectly with oven-baked gratin potatoes.